Okay, so in Scratch, they already have a one green flag click. Have you ever wanted a one stop button click block? Well, making an actual block for it is impossible. But today I'm going to show you how to make the script for it. We're going to start by creating a variable. You can call it whatever you want, but for me, I will call it timer. Now, create the script. One flag click forever. Set timer to timer plus 0.1. This is for setting the timer to variable that will always be tiny bit more than the real timer. Next, create the script. When timer is larger than the variable, attach whatever script you want to the script, and those will be the ones that happen when you click the stop button. Here, let me make an example. Let me try doing it with here, let me click on the flag and then click on the stop button. There we go. It changes by 2. Here, click on the flag again. And here, there we go again. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.